Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create the unicorn doll from Despicable Me and Dress to Impress. So I'm not going to remove anything, but you do need two VIP items for this, so keep that in mind. First, I used this hat over here, this one at the bottom, which is, whoa. Oh my god, I'm lagging. Which is this hat right here. And then I colored it pink. For the adjustments, X point at 1, Y at 0.15, Z 0.45. Rotate the X at 0 and scale it to just 0.5. And again, color all this pink color, and then the second toggle should be like matte, or the first one, I think. The first one. Then I'm going to get this beanie here. As you can see, this beanie is the no ears one. Use the same color, the pink color. For the adjustments, X at 1, Y at 0.43, Z 0.44. Rotate the X at 0.69 and the Z at 0.4. Scale it to 0.43. Then get this beanie here in the same color as well. Position the X at 1, Y 0.6, Z 0.5, rotate the X at 0 and scale it to 0.4. Then for the hair, you're going to go to the salon here. Go to the masculine section and select this hair, and then you're just going to color it this color. CD1884. Position the X at 1, Y 0.74, Z 0.54, and that is it for the position. Then for the feetsies and the hands, for the hands I used the star earmuff in that pink color we had before, FF1DA4, and that light pink. Position the X at 1, the Y 0.47, the Z 0.34. Rotate the X at 1, the Z at 0.43, and scale it to 0.39. Then for the feetsies, grab this one. Color it light pink, and then that same pink color, CC1784. Position the X at 0.97, the Y at 0.11, Z 0.42. Rotate the X at 0.97, the Y at 0.48, and then the Z 0.43, and scale it to 0.55. For the eyes and the horn, for the eyes, use these alphabet glasses, that's what I call them. And you're just going to color the first two the same pink color. The third one I colored it white in the neon material, and the jewels I colored it pink again. For the position, X 0.97, Y 0.87, and Z 0.34. Rotate the Y at 0.56 and scale it to 0.38. Then for the unicorn horn, I colored it this color, FFDD74. Position the X at 0.97, the Y at 0.64, Z at 0.4, rotate the X at 0.69 and scale to 0.64. Then for the eyes, I used the pearl earrings out here, these ones in black. For this adjustment, position the X at 0.95, the Y 0.89, and the Z at 0.11. Then you're just going to scale it down to 0.02, and that is it. That is how you can create Agnes's unicorn doll from Despicable Me. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!